Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube. This is Variety Stick and we back again for another video. As I told you, I want to get the Motorola E5 Plus from metroPCS and we're gonna go ahead together. We're gonna unbox the phone. We're gonna have the first look on the phone and give you my first impression. So without any further ado, let's find out. Well, this box, nothing fancy over here. We have seen the same kind of design for the box for other phones from metroPCS. Moto E5 Plus also the same, but we can see that the phone is going to be a blue color over here or turquoise, and from the back of the box will be the specification of the phone. This phone is for GLTE, of course, and it will be Android Oreo 8.1 or 8.0. We'll figure this out later on in the video. We have massive size screen over here, 6 inches, but the bad news, there's not going to be full high definition, so we will see how that resolution is going to be. The PPI will be 258, so it's not going to be a lot of PPI for the screen, and it's not whole a lot of resolution pushed in this device. 12 megapixel for the rear camera and 8 megapixel for the front camera, and this is actually has a front flash as well, so you have front flash and back flash, which is neat in my opinion. 32 gigabytes of memory in my opinion is great, and we have another plus for the RAM. The phone has 3 gigabytes of RAM. Absolutely, the phone gonna come with the phone itself, manual guides and SIM card, and turbo power charger of the USB data cable. Means this phone does support fast charging. For those people ask for the battery, this phone has massive size battery, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and those people want to buy this phone, mainly they're looking for a phone that has this huge battery. So this is one of the big advantage when you buy the Motorola E5 Plus. Now let's go ahead and crack this box open and look to the phone itself and the build construction and all that good stuff. We have tape. Go ahead and crack this tape and open the box and also look what the contents on the phone. So there we go. We got a screen protector that has some of the main feature of the phone. Yes, the battery is 5,000. This is a lot, and also the screen is massive, and the camera 12 megapixel with laser autofocus. This is great, and it will be a fingerprint and the Moto experience. We will check what the Moto experience, maybe some new features. Go ahead and take it out of the plastic, set this on the side and set the phone in the side, but I want to look on the back of the phone. Wow, the phone is so beautiful, nice and shiny, as you guys can see, and we do have the laser autofocus and the 12 megapixel sensor over here, and we have this Motorola logo over here, and I guess this has the fingerprint. Wow, what a nice design we have over here. And I believe this kind of it seems to me plastic, it's not a glass, and the frame of the phone, it will be plastic as well. That will be the Motorola over here, and it looks like dragon tail glass over here. The screen is IPS, front speaker, flash, and another sensor, proximity sensor, and the 8 megapixel camera. Let me go ahead and look to the content of the phone. Of course, we have the SIM card, comes with 3 different sizes. We have the SIM ejector tool over here, and we have the manual information from Motorola, as you guys can see. Since this phone, it has massive battery, 5,000, it should comes with a fast charger. The Motorola, they call it turbo power, but it will be the same concept of the quick charge or the fast charger. And here you go. So we get the USB cable to have a look, and this time around this is mini USB, it's not USB-C. That is not a big problem for me since the phone charge quickly. I understand Motorola, they have to make it a little bit cheaper somewhere to make the phone affordable through metroPCS. As everybody knows, this phone currently available for $179, and if you pour your line over, for the meantime, the phone has $100 discount if you go to metroPCS, so the phone is very affordable. Also, let me show you the Motorola E4. I'm just gonna do a comparison of the size. You guys can't tell the difference, and this one has a removable back, this one doesn't. And it has the same circle over here, but this one doesn't have fingerprint, has this dumbbell over here, but this has the fingerprint. You guys can't tell there's like two camera, but it's not two camera, it's the laser autofocus, and it's very nice curve design. So the difference, this is 5 inches and this is 6 inches. We're gonna have the first look on the phone. I wanna just take off the screen protector and we're gonna turn on the phone and we will have the first look on the phone. I'm going to play with the phone for a little bit and then come back with my first impression. After I spend a little bit of time playing in this phone, but let's answer these questions. Who should buy this phone? Now, if you are on budget, you don't want to spend a lot of money, and if you want a nice looking phone with a big screen and massive size battery and with fast charging, so this phone made and designed for you. This phone has everything you're looking for as a phone user. This is not a flagship, this is a budget device with a high grade specification in my opinion. First of all, the screen, it's so nice. We have IPS screen. I can see the screen, it's not the best quality, the best resolution ever compared to the LG Q7 or the LG Stylo 4. This screen is not any better, but the phone, it's very much more affordable, and the phone has bigger battery if you want a phone that lasts you longer and you don't want to be charging your phone all the time. This is very convenient for those people. Plus, this phone has very good fingerprint over here, very responsive, maybe one of the fastest fingerprint I have tested on the phones. Very fast, very responsive. This will enhance the security on the phone, of course. The phone has also some great features, like if you just go to Moto, they will explain it to you. Now, one of the things, like it's called quick screenshot, means you can basically put 3 fingers on the screen and the phone will take a screenshot, which is very nice. And you can also like shake twice to turn on the flash like this, and the flash is on. You want to turn it off. So it's very nice for people they want to use the phone even in one hand, and it's a big phone as well. I mean, you can twist. I will take you to the camera, which is a quick launch like this, and the phone went to the camera itself. There's a lot more features over here I'm going to cover for you in completely separate video. So if you don't want to miss this video, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post this video. Now, I know the chipset in the phone is not the latest. Motorola, they're using a chipset from the previous year, so we have a Snapdragon 435 with 3 GB of RAM. I believe it should be good for people they are on the medium usage of the phone. They're not like too crazy using this device. That would be great. 32 GB plus you can add a memory card up to 128 GB. Now, for the camera, honestly, this camera was not disappointed. I mean, if I compare this camera to the Alcatel 7, this is blowing the Alcatel 7 away. Not better than the LG Q7, of course, but this is what you pay for, and this is what you get for what you pay actually. But one good things here, we have slow motion, we have panorama. This is a good plus over here. Autofocus, I think, works very good because the laser autofocus in the camera helps a lot. I mean, full high definition you can take. This is the max, which is fine. I'm not complaining about this. You have front flash. That helps also for a good experience. Also, on the front facing camera, you have a beauty face, which is also bring very good pictures. Let me show you some pictures I have taken. This is with the front. This is in the back camera. This is in the front camera, guys. Oh, this is nice when you use the beauty mode, which is we're going to talk about this later on in my coming videos. So as I said, don't miss that and subscribe for more. You can also, without it, it won't look good as, I mean, this is just without any filter. This is with a beauty face. looks so good. I mean, if you want a phone that takes really decent camera, this is the phone you go with. And remember, if you want to buy this phone has 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and this is one of the main advantage on the phone, plus turbocharge and very good decent size screen with the stock Android experience. This is a stock Android, the way that phone works, very simple. This not a heavy skin. This is whatever Android came with, just a little bit of features added by Motorola. And I guess this is everything for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching and staying till the end of the video. I really thank you so much. If you want to watch more stuff, more coverage about the Motorola E5 Plus, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post this video. If you find this video helpful for you, help you to make the decision to purchase this phone, hit that like button to let me know, and we will talk to you in the next one.